Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm gonna start this off with splash. Alright, now I would wanna show you some air assassinations. There you go. Now let's fuck some people up. Come on, come on. What the? This guy's running away. Get the fuck back here. Okay. Let's get the fuck out of here. Chase cam. They won't let me the chase cam. Ah. Yeah. I'm gonna show you how good I am in climbing in this game. Oh shit, there's a guy here. Fuck. Grab, 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 grab. Oh, on my face. Ow. Ow! Oh my god. Yeah. And, but I just love how when the guys fall down, I like how the people react to it. That's really good done by Ubisoft. And I know that Assassin's Creed 3 has come out, but I don't live in America. I live in Latvia, for those who didn't know. Actually, nobody knew. And still, I'm pretty we're having some shit times with release dates because they get here really late, and there's the chase cam for you. And as you can see, here's the map. And yes, I know I need to go to your zone, but I just want to came here for fun, just to fuck around. But now, let's go to your zone. Let's go. And keep in mind, going on rooftops, it's a lot faster than on foot. What the fuck? Oh yeah, I fucking, I have to get anonymous again. But keep in mind, I am playing this on my keyboard, but still doing okay. Zoop! Whoop! Whoop! Oh! Flag! Oh fuck, that sucks. Oh! What the? Who the fuck is this guy? Fuck you, bitch. Grab break. What the? He was a Templar? What the fuck? Oh, come on. Now I'm cornered. Great. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck that. I'm not fighting one guy. Yeah. Shut the fuck up, asshole. Shut up. I'm annoying. Oh. Oops. Going the wrong way. Hoppity hop. Ow. Fucker. But keep in mind, I have beaten the game. But I did do this. This is my new game. But I did a shit ton of things to get the full sync bar. That's the health bar, of course. So yeah, I have a shit ton of health, and I pretty much have the second best weapon in the game, pretty much. Just You. Oh my god. Oh, and all people are like, I just love looking at how they fall down. It's so cool. Boom. And for those people who haven't played Assassin's Creed ever, I recommend you to buy this game right now. Get your money, buy the game, and fucking go shit your pants with this game. It's fucking awesome. Huh. But now it's gonna be... Actually, no. By the way, look at this glitch. Oh, wait a minute. I don't think it's here. Ah, it's not here. Damn it. Oh well. One guy showed a glitch on the PC that if you kill a guy in front like 20 dudes, then they just won't do anything. It's gonna be freaking awesome when they show you. It's gonna be so sick. Alright, to your zone we go! And let's go to the barrel. Gotta stop the camera. Actually, no, I'm good. I have 3 more minutes. Okay. And as I was saying, if you haven't played Assassin's Creed, then go fucking buy this game. Ask your mom, ask your friends for money, whatever. Just get this game and fucking shut up your ass if you don't like it. I don't care what you say. This game's fucking great. My cousin actually has a YouTube channel, Wing Gaming HD, and I know he does only like COD 4, something like that. So Mirror's Edge with his friend. Yeah. Whatever. Alright, gotta stop the camera.